Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Safari cannot move file error. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to download files in Safari on macOS, especially when saving to external drives or servers. Many users have reported that the file downloads completely, but at the very end, the error appears. According to our research, this error happens because of issues with the external drive, or issues with Safari or system permissions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to use a temporary workaround. Simply after the file downloads fully and the error message appears, right-click on the download file and select Show Package. Inside, you should find the full file. Drag it out of the download package and into the folder you want it in. If the error still comes, then try downloading the file directly to your desktop instead of the external drive. Once the download completes, move the file from your desktop to your external drive. If the error persists, then try downloading the file using Firefox or Chrome instead of Safari. Users have shared that downloads complete normally on these browsers without showing the error. At last, if you still get the error, then check if you have given full disk access permissions. To do this, go to System Settings, then open Privacy and Security and select Full Disk Access. Then make sure Safari has full access enabled. If not, then give the full disk access and try downloading the file again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.